Hi everyone, it's Annette again from Sweet Pea. I'm joined with Emma, our head designer and digitizer, with a couple of our latest clutch designs that Emma has made. Designed. Yes, designed. Digitised. Okay, so the two completely different designs we have here, don't we, Emma? Yes. So we've got the
Magnolia clutch and the Sugar Skull clutch.
And both of these clutches come in multiple sizes. So as you can see, this one here was made in the
6x10.
Yep.
And this one is the 5x7.
And can this one be made, the Magnolia clutch be made in the bigger sizes as well?
So this one will come in 5x7, 6x10, 7x12, and the 9.5x14.
We put all the final dimensions on the website under the product's description, so you can see the finished sizes. And the Sugar Skull comes in the same sizes too. So this is a 6x10, which I find to be very good size for a clutch, but you can make bigger, 2 times bigger, or 1 times, 5x7, which will be smaller again. So Emma, do you want to talk a little bit about these? So we're while we're focusing on the Sugar Skull.
So
yes, talk about that one.
So this is a new revolutionary clutch design that actually features a zipper. So I don't think there's any other in the hoop companies that have got this sort of style of design. So it is fully lined.
No raw seams.
No raw seams, fully lined. So this is done in 2 hoopings. So you do the flap first, and then you attach the flap to the clutch, which is another separate hooping. And then we also give guides on how to add the clasp as well. So yes, so
it's absolutely beautiful, Emma.
So
took a little bit of while to work out how to do this, the zipper, put the zipper in the clutch.
Yeah,
in the design stage,
yeah. So
and it sits so nice and flat too. Sometimes zippers can look a bit funny on the ends, but that sits so beautifully in there.
So we're like pushing the frontiers of in the hoop science.
These are starting, they're really looking like little purses of clutches you'll buy in a boutique, in a bag shop.
So we're also now adding embroidery on the actual front of the clutch.
That makes it nice too. Yeah. You can see it on this one as well. So it's the same style with the pretty embroidery around the edge.
So this one, it was made with fabric, and this is using our PU.
We'll talk about that in a bit, but I just want to focus at the minute, Emma, onto the beautiful embroidery on the front. So is there applique in this, or is it all embroidery?
So the background and the roses are applique, as well as the skull, and then all the details and stuff is all embroidery.
I said to Emma just before, it looks like it's been coloured in with textures, with marking pens, but that's the thread.
That's the thread. You can see like it's the sheen from our Incredi thread.
It's beautiful. Again, I just love the Incredi thread that we have. We don't sell metallic ones, but our threads have got so much sheen to them, haven't they?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They're gorgeous. So that's our Sugar Skull clutch.
Sugar Skull.
And then we'll just move. So we like at Sweet Pea to have we catered for all different tastes. So that's the Sugar Skull.
So if you're
community
into,
might like this sort of thing.
Yeah, if you're into that, even like glow in the dark thread would look awesome.
It would, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So. Perfect. I mean, that's going to be a real attention-grabbing design, isn't it? If you took that somewhere, look at this with my black T-shirt. If I don't even need the strap, but you know, as a clutch, you would get lots of comments about that. It's beautiful. So then moving over to something a little bit more elegant, I would say. Yeah. A bit more demure. The Magnolia.
Magnolia clutch.
I really like what you've done with the shape of that flap there too, Emma.
Yeah, so it's a bit different from our usual flaps, and that's all embroidery.
I like the way this one doesn't have the fill in it too. You know, you've got the difference in the leaves.
Yeah, so it doesn't sort of take too much attention away from the flower.
Beautiful.
So again, this one's also got a clasp and a zipper, and then all embroidered.
That's beautiful. That embroidery on there is so pretty. So again, it's got the seams.
Fully lined.
The fully lined with no seams. They're all inside. So you actually you turn the bag through the bottom, don't you?
Yep.
And then there's a beautiful zipper that lays completely flat in there. Get the instructions how to put that cam snap in while you're making the flaps.
Yes.
And the back's just plain. Absolutely beautiful, Emma. This one, I think, is my favourite. As a little kind of a coin purse.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
So that's 5x7.
Look at that.
The 5x7.
This looks like a professional purse that you would buy. I mean, they all do, but I just love it. And of course, we've included our beautiful zipper. So these are our metallic look zippers. So they're they're plastic, but you can stitch over them and your needle won't break. And we've got our little Sweet Pea logo on there. So, so we've used our faux leather, our PUs in this one, and on this one with fabric on the front. But again, that's one of our beautiful zippers. So we often get people asking for supply kits because they like to, when they see one of our designs online, they just want to be able to make exactly what we've made. So what we've done is, and we do it with a few of our products, we've put supply kits together for both of these designs. So with the Magnolia one, if you can buy the design file by itself, but if you want to make it exactly the way we have, you'll get this in the kit. You'll get a 3-pack of 12.5 zippers. So you get to choose when you purchase a supply kit. You'll get either the blue kit or the white kit. So with the blue kit, you'll get this one, this, and the aqua. So that's what you'll get in that supply kit, plus the design files to make it. And with the white one, you'll get the 12.5 inch zippers, a 3-pack. And then the antique, natural grain white PU faux leather. These are so beautiful and soft, aren't they, Emma?
Yes, and it's got that lovely texture.
Pebbled.
Yeah.
And you can see it in the seams. So that's the back and the front are made with that faux leather. Look how beautiful it stitches so well, isn't it? It stitches so easily.
Yeah, and that's the 5x7. That's quite
normally
small.
a 5x7 is tricky to make, isn't it? Because it's small.
Yeah.
But everything, it just is so lovely and pliable. So that's the supply kit. So for the supply kit, you'll get the design files for the white purse, you'll get the white zippers, you'll get the white PU. With the blue kit, if you choose that one, you'll get the white tape with the blue, and you'll get the aqua, the pebbled aqua faux leather. So they're all on the website. Again, if you don't want the supply kit, you can just buy the design files by themselves. The same with our beautiful sugar skull clutches.
Sugar skull.
So you can buy the sugar skull clutch design files separately, or you can buy them as a kit. Now the kit, so this one's made out of fabric, so you don't get the kit for that one. No. That's just all fabric out of our stash. But this one we've made with this beautiful, it is called, what's it called? Antique grain white. Can you see that sheen on there, James? It's kind of like does it look like a linen sort of look?
Linen-y.
But then pearlized,
yeah,
so it's just beautiful. So we've got that on the front and the back. So I always think with clutches, because you're always holding them like that. If you had fabric, it's going to get your oils from your hand and everything. But this, you can just wipe clean. And that comes with the beautiful white tape zip with the pink. So if you purchase the supply kit for this purse, you'll get the white tape with the pink, and that's a 3-pack of 13.5 inches. And then the beautiful faux leather. So this is the natural grain white, antique grain white, sorry. So you'll get the amount that's in here is, you'll probably get a few purses out of that, won't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you get extra zipper. Yeah, of course you only need the one zipper there, and you cut that to size for that.
Yes.
So as a special offer, until the 14th of October, if you buy either the design files for the purse, either purse, or the supply kit for the purse, you will get 50% off the design files for the other purse. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Let's say it again. Okay. So if you put this in your cart to buy, you can then purchase the design for the sugar skull design about 50% off till the October the 14th. If you buy the supply kit, you will still get the opportunity to buy the other design 50% off, just off the design, not the supply kit for the other one.
Yeah.
So if you purchase this one, you'll get 50% off this design.
Yes. Yes.
It'll all be on. I hope it's not clear as mud. I think that's...
No, that makes sense.
sense.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. Yeah.
So there you have it. So these beautiful purses, online you'll get to choose, if you buy the design kit, which colour you want. If you want the supplies for that one, or the supplies for this one, or you can just buy the design files and you'll get all the different sizes included for that design.
Oh, yeah.
That one. And then
That's
the
the
sugar
same.
skull. So I think that's all we have to talk about. So that special offer is only available until October the 14th. All the details will be on the website as well and on below on this video. So once again, that's our sugar skull and our Magnolia purses. They're beautiful.